it's Rebecca here from Precious Pages Papercraft, and today I'm designing a layout for Hip Kit Club, and I'm using the gorgeous new October 2022 kits, and these are absolutely stunning, possibly one of my favourite kits of the year so far. And I love autumn, it's my favourite sort of season to scrap anyway. I love Halloween and all things Halloween and autumnal, but I love the colours and all the leaves and things that you get with autumn. And these kits are just full of things that I love. So really excited to be working with these. Now they arrived with me yesterday and I literally got all the kits out, had a quick look through them, marked up what came with which kit, and then sat down to create this layout. And you get so much in the Hip kits. I've got bits here on my desk from the main kit, the Pocket Life kit and the Embellishment Kit, so you get loads of things, as you can see. And I quite often find initially when I receive my kits I get a little bit overwhelmed by just how much there is to choose from to use, and I just want to put all the things on the page, which obviously wouldn't look too great, but yeah, there's so much to choose from that sometimes I don't know where to start. So I thought it was a good idea today to start with a product that I really love, and just sort of build my layout up from there. So I chose these gorgeous clear mixed media stickers. Now I absolutely adore it when Hip Kit make these. They are pre-made stickers, they are on a clear background, and it looks like I've added some mixed media to my page, when in actual fact I've just whacked a couple of stickers on the page. I haven't got messy, I haven't had to think about what I'm doing, I literally just pick those and use them, and it looks like I've made this gorgeous elaborate background. So they're fantastic for that. So I thought I'm going to pick some of these, I'm going to pick some colours that match with my photo, and just go from there really and work my layout around this product that I've chosen. So I've picked out two big stickers. You get some smaller ones and some larger ones, so I've gone for two of the bigger ones to have a bit of surface area covered, and I've positioned them in a way that they will show around my photo. And I've got a 3x4 photo of my little boy messing around in the leaves. So I've stuck one sort of to the top left and one to the bottom right, so that they're peeking out all around my photo, and I absolutely love how these look. I do end up covering a little bit of them up, but it's just the way it is, and with real mixed media the same thing happens, so it just seems to be the thing. But just to bring in a bit more colour and to use some more of these gorgeous stickers, I'm pulling in another one, and I chose this one because it's got some blues and browns in it, and those colours feature in my photo. So it wasn't quite big enough to go all the way through, so I've done a bit of a sneaky one and I've cut it in half, and then just like that, you can't even tell, but it's given me two areas covered. So I've got all around my photo now covered by those gorgeous clear mixed media stickers. And I've picked off a title to use. That is a chipboard piece that says "Fall is Here," and that is from the main kit. Though, so you get a load of chipboard frames, loads of them nestled in amongst each other, and then you get some little like titles and floral clusters and bows and things. So I thought that was a really nice title for my layout, because these are sort of the first autumn photos I think I took this year, so that worked really nicely. And I love that chipboard gives a bit of dimension, and it's nice and sturdy as well. Chipboard's probably one of my favourite things to scrap with, just because I just love that it's sturdy, it's dimensional, I just love the way it looks really. And a lot of the chipboard pieces in the October kits have gold foil accents on them as well, which make them super pretty. So now coming back in with some more clear stickers. So those mixed media background ones are from the Embellishment Kit, as are this sheet here. So you get the top half are kind of florals, and the bottom half you've got some phrases to use on your projects. And these are fantastic. Again, clear stickers, so it's straight down on my background, and there's no sort of white border or anything on them, and I love how they look. So I've added some floral clusters going diagonally through my photo. And you'll see in a minute that top right one, I wish I'd stuck that sticker a little bit further out to extend the design further, like I've done with that one on the bottom left. But worry not, I will bring in some more stickers towards the end and just extend that cluster. So So I've got those clear stickers down as well now, and that gives me loads. It looks like I've added loads to my page there. It looks like I've gone mad with leaf clusters and things, and I haven't. That is literally just a couple of stickers. So very easy for embellishing, and it looks like I've done a lot of work when really I actually haven't. But shush, don't tell anybody that. But yeah, so those stickers are fab, and I'm going to bulk out those floral clusters with some die cut and some more chipboard leaves. So I've added a little bit of chipboard underneath my photo there, kind of like some semicircles with lots of different colours. I've got a navy blue leaf that I've added under my title. That is chipboard, and again from the main kit, and I wanted a bit of dark blue down in that corner just because my boy's wearing navy in the photo, so I wanted a little bit here and there, sort of navy touches, so I've added that there. I've got some die cut leaves. Those are from the embellishment kit, and again those are foiled with gold foil, and they are gorgeous. There's a whole pack of them. You get 56 in that pack, and I think pretty much all of them have some gold foiling detail on them, and you can see them at the top of my page there, shining under my studio light. So really love how those look. And again, I've not gone mad, I've just tucked a couple here and there, but it looks like I've done loads of work because of those big nice clear stickers. I've also added a couple of tags. Those are from, I believe, the die cut pack that we get in the main kit, and I've just added 2 over on the right and 1 over on the left, just to really bring in a little bit more kind of detail and to spread the colours a bit more. Again, I wanted some more of that navy, so I've used that tag, and I didn't really want just one tag sat on its own over there, so I've clustered a few up. And then if I've done that on the right, I feel like I need some tags on the left as well, which is why I've added one over there and nestled it behind my leaves. Adding some puffy stickers now. I absolutely love puffy stickers, another of my favourite products. These are from the Pocket Life kit, and they're really small, so little dinky stickers, which I love because it means you can add loads here and there, and it adds lots of detail and without kind of overpowering the page. So I've added a little fox in behind my title because whenever I think of autumn I think of foxes, and I'm also on the Bramble Fox design team with Morag, so I do love my foxes, so he's a little nod to Morag there as well. He's also on our team. And I've added a couple more, so I've got some little leaf sprigs again in navy down the bottom there, just bringing in some more of that colour. A couple more leaves here and there I've added, and now I'm adding some chipboard phrases. Those are, oh, let me check, get this right. There's so much in these kits. I've got so much spread out on my desk at the moment. I think those are from the Pocket Life kit. And I've got 2 at the bottom. One says moments like these, and another one says our usual routine. Obviously we go out, we have to take photos. That is our routine. And up the top, I've got one that says today, and another that says my favourite person. And then I've added in a couple more puffy stickers, or I might not actually have done it yet, but I will do in a minute. Add a couple of, oh, I have done it yet, little heart puffy stickers as well. And that is me done. So this came together really quickly, actually. I think it only took me about half an hour. Because those clear stickers have done a lot of the work for me, it looks like a lot more effort went into this layout than actually did, which is great. They've done all my work for me. So more of those, please, Kimberly. Makes it easy for me. But yeah, I absolutely adore those stickers. They just add so much detail to my background. So I hope you've enjoyed this layout. I've got lots of close-ups coming up for you. Do consider subscribing to Hip Kit if you're not already a subscriber. I'll leave some details in the description box below for the benefits of being subscribers. You get some discounts on additional kits, and obviously free postage on add-on kits. You also get exclusive access to subscriber only cut files. So lots of reasons to be a subscriber, so head on over to our website and take a look. But thanks very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this layout with the October kits, and I'll see you next time.